Good afternoon from the Smoky Mountains. We're here on the Foothills Parkway. Some leaves are starting to fall. Every once in a while you see a little glimpse of fall coming. So we're just going to take a drive down the foothills, heading towards Townsend, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg, that entire area. So join us for a drive on the Foothills Parkway. Absolutely stunning views from just a short little drive. Today we're only going about 12, maybe 13 miles on the parkway. All right, and there's all kinds of little stop-offs all along the way as well. So just a little short drive, you can see views just like this. We're heading over towards the Townsend area and Where's Valley. This little pull off here is absolutely beautiful. Not only do you have the valley and the mountains, there's also lots of wildflowers up here and butterflies. Let's see if I can zoom in on some of those flowers. Some beautiful flowers, and then there was a bunch of butterflies. There's one over here. Let's see if we can find the butterfly. It's really hard to see, but there's a butterfly right in that area somewhere. So it looks absolutely beautiful. Trees remind me of like went to Alaska and stuff like that. Just saw some beautiful trees just like that. Every little stop we go to, I keep hearing things off in the woods. See like sticks falling, or it could be some animals, things like that. But wow. So that was the Foothills Parkway. It is starting to turn to fall just a smidge. Every once in a while you saw a few leaves turning. The weather is getting just a little bit cooler. Still hot, but just a little bit cooler. And we're excited. We're gonna come back to the foothills again to try to look for more leaves changing. But I just want to do a little drive through and look at some of the spots there. Absolutely amazing drive. We love that Foothills Parkway. Right now we're at a barn. So this is where we're staying. And this barn behind us is 1 mile, give or take a little bit, from the Foothills Parkway. It's a perfect location. But yeah, thanks for joining us on the Foothills Parkway Drive. Be on the lookout for some more Smoky Mountain videos coming soon, or already in the description below, including this barn stay here on a sheep farm. With that being said, the nerds are out.